Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed higher on Thursday, lifted by shares in energy, utilities, as well as materials. Now, on the economic docket, initial jobless claims decreasing to 262,000 in the week ended August 13th, continuing claims rising to 2.18 million in the week ended August 6th. The Philadelphia Fed Business Outlook improving to 2 in August, in line with expectations, while the leading indicators, they improved to 0.4% in July. All combined, advancers ahead of decliners. 60% of SP 500 constituents, they were trading higher yesterday. Now, after the market closed, attention was first on a bunch of companies, including Gap, which announced second quarter adjusted EPS of 60 cents with net sales of $3.85 billion. But net income did fall 43% year over year to $125 million. Also, Caterpillar announcing it's willing to pursue strategic alternatives, including a possible divestiture for its room and pillar products. The company also discontinuing production of track drills within its resource industries portfolio. And besides Caterpillar, focus was on Viacom, saying that Philippe Dauman will step down as CEO and COO Tom Dooley will serve as interim CEO through September 30th. Moving on, overseas, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei up 0.36%, the Hang Seng down 0.37%, China CSI 300 up 0.02%, and South Korea's Kospi up 0.04%. European markets trading lower and U.S. futures calling for a negative start. Now, taking a look at market expectations today, there is no economic report, so instead, in terms of earnings, we have Estee Lauder fourth quarter EPS seen at 40 cents on sales of approximately $2.7 billion. Deere & Company third quarter EPS seen at 94 cents on sales of approximately $6.1 billion. And Foot Locker second quarter EPS seen at 90 cents. Again, moving ahead to see how Trading Central analysts view the markets, they first take a look at the SP 500. This again amid no major economic reports. As it stands right now, the SP 500 sees a bullish bias above 2165, even though a continuation of the consolidation cannot be ruled out. The extent should be limited. Long positions above 2165 are favored with targets at 2186 and 2191 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq seeing a bullish bias, preferring long positions above 4771, and the Dow Jones seeing a bullish bias, preferring long positions above 18,443.